Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, September the 19th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars. This should be a 0 stars because this one has 28 printed digits. A 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. They call it also a tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them. 4 of them I will solve in this evening, and the first one I will solve is the Sudoku with 0 stars. 0 stars Sudoku. Number. This will be number 7124. 7124. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've told you earlier, this one has 28 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot say that every time, because sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes or 14 minutes. 14 or 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 0 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 4. No. We already have a 4 here. Let me start with the 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the third column. So in the first column, the only place level 6 should be there. 5, 2, well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 in this box. 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this row, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there, so 2 numbers are left in this big square from us. The 1 and the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 7 in the last row. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright. Okay, and now 5, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. Cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4. 4, 4. Alright, we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 7. Need a 1 here. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. And 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 3, and the 2. 2 and 3. Okay. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here or there. You see here 3 in the third row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the second row, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the last row, so no 3 there, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3, alright. Okay, 4, 4, 7, 7. Now. 1, 8, 5, 1, 8, 5. 1, 8, 5. 1, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. How about this box in this row? For the number, the 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in the first column for number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8, 8. Okay, and now, 8, 5, the 9, 9, 9. 8, 5, and a 1. We have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 is supposed to be here. 5, 5. Well, we have a pair. The 5 and the 9 in this row. The 5 and the 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 8, 8. Need a 2 here, okay. Then. How about? Do we have all the 5s? No. Need a 5 there. How about the 6s then? 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, no, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in this box. And 8 in this column, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 8. Should be there. 8, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Do we have all the 8s? Yeah. And no. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. How about the 5? 9 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 1 and a 9. Then. How about the 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 and 2, we have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Same numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 14 or 15 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.